I like emo girls, I ain't gonna lie. You emo? ¿Eres emo? Good time? You having a good time?
Yeah. No.
You trying to be my sugar mommy?
A huevo.
What happened?
A huevo.
Ooh, okay.
Soy gay, güey. Me gustan los culos.
Huele es gay, güey.
No, me gustan los culos, güey.
El morrillo está al 100 a la verga. ¡A la verga! ¡A su puta! This nigga got Dad Award of the Year. Oh, God.
Ugly. That's all I said was y'all are ugly. It's not my fault. I'm so sorry.
She's mad, right?
Hold on.
Getting Ojalá, like.
Don't play with her.
I don't know if they're good quality.
Right here?
Yeah.
I was running away from the cops in a four-wheeler and I
Oh, you
crashed.
lying, bro.
Hey, what's the YouTube?
Hey,
With a K. Fat hoe staring at you.
Where? Fuck no, nigga, we on Pornhub.
Out here trying to get spread out and trying to get fucked on.
Where the fat hoes at? They go,
I need me a fat by the night.
Let's do it.
I need bigger.
oh, he need bigger, goddamn. He need
I
bigger.
need a motherfucking fupa.
Okay. Oopa, nigga.
Fucking 300 pounds of up. Hey, if she ain't 300, she ain't a lady, nigga.
Woo! If she ain't 300, she ain't a lady, nigga. Alright, what the fuck?
Ya que salgan del encierro, los estamos esperando, los aquí siguen fumando y también.
Man, if you get into a fight right now, 10 out of 10. How bad you gonna beat a nigga ass?